Let's cut now.
Why don't you send your iron
Catch. Judah to come, my boy.
Okay.
Come, Papa.
Come.
You hold Ion's hand, okay?
Come.
Hold Ion's hand.
Are you ready?
Yay! Hallelujah.
What should we sing? Happy anniversary.
Goodness of God. Let's sing goodness of God, Tata.
You have been.
Oh, nine.
All my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am Don't eat now, don't eat. Wow, Judah. You like it? With every breath that I am
Ama sao phải đây? Ăn say à?
Đây, bác em khi phân bác phải nhảy. Em khi phân bác phải nhảy. Mama, sao phải nhảy ra?
With my life laid down, I surrender now. Everything. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. And I break down, I give everything. Everyone can get.
Thank you.
Cake also is there.
What?
Chuchu's cake. My soul, oh my soul.
Saromaha Tabuk training ri jongo Bura no Bura da sikla da sani YouTube channel ka dal khulna ko bo Tuma anglang bo Tuma anglang Nang tam training nai tong sagari Tuma training nai tong sagara le
YouTube
YouTube ya bla YouTube Yes good
Piano. You can play piano for Hari.
But I don't know. I mean, I know how to play. But I forgot.
But sing a song.
Oh, you're recording.
Yeah, I'm recording.
They recommend CK4 forever. But then when I went to the showroom, I don't know what type of oil they and then
Rhyme.
so much of soup. When I opened it, and engine oil was leaking from the EGR.
I don't know how to do it.
Bo tam nung da si mo sa chum ne le puno ke na ka de bo
Banana. Chicken. Banana. You know that?
yeah chicken banana
What is that? You're not even doing it right order. You're like chicken banana. Chicken banana. You're making a mountain. It has to be high, okay? Chicken, dude. Why is it bending like that?
Chicken.
I don't even get it.
chicken
Floss.
floss
Presenting the floss. And then you go like this. So it's like this. And you go like that. And you go like that. And then you just do it really fast.
Wow!
yay you teach your grandma great grandma yeah
I think
go
I
slow baby
Oh my.
yeah look at me great grandma
Okay.
listen no she's like very healthy means great respect
Okay.
great honor okay
Okay. What was that? What is it? Why did you say that?
Mom, I need you to go slower.
I'm showing her like this so that she can.
You go more and
So that you do like that. See, put your finger. You put your arms like you put it like that.
Come on.
This arm behind, and you go like that. And then you do this. Again, and then you go this way. And you put this arm behind. This arm here. Go like here.
Wow. Great teacher.
Stand straight. And then do this again. And do this. Yeah, there you go. And then you go right here. Since when are you good at flossing? And you put this arm behind. Yeah, just like that. And then you go here.
That's how when we talk
And
about
then you just keep doing it.
now faster than
So one arm, this arm always has to be behind, and then when you go here.
Example.
Now do it in speed.
yeah. Out the window.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Great.
Now sing it.
When you go straight, then you do like this. It's kind of like walking, except you're not moving at all. Hey, you shake your hips. You're good.
Yang mana de sung manis. First level 1.
Level 1 complete.
Ice kade.
What?
Your great mama, great grandma is so great.
Oh, you know.